G'day folks, it's been a hectic time. We've moved house 3 times in 6 months and we've been very busy putting together a new book. So I wanted to show you the new book today. That's what this video is all about. Here it is. The DIY Mega Foods Plan. Eat simply, live fully. So this is our new book and I'm very, very proud of it. Now, for a long time now, I've been the potato guy and I often get questions about what do you eat now? Do you still eat potatoes? And yes, I still eat potatoes, but people want to know about what I eat since I finished that potato year, and that's a few years ago now. So I've been eating a different way, not only potatoes, for a few years now. I still do eat a lot of potatoes, but I wanted to write this book. It's a pretty short book. It's nearly 70 pages, and it's about what we're doing, why we're doing it, and also how to make it work, both logistically and psychologically, and from a habit change point of view. And it's pretty in depth, but also pretty simple. Our diet plan is simple and we wanted to keep it simple. This is the Mega Foods plan. It's it's called the Mega Foods because I'm sick of superfoods. So I wanted a different kind of food for us to also focus on. We too much emphasis put into superfoods, and I'll go into that a bit more in the book. I wrote a blurb and we had to cut it down a bit to actually put on the back of the book, but this is the original one that I wrote, which is a bit longer, so I'm just going to read it to you. So, losing weight is easy. First, you have to master the 12 types of hunger. Then you have to track down 23 new superfoods, each one more exotic than the last, and all sold at different farmers markets on alternate Sundays all over the city. Next, you have to learn 6 new cooking techniques along with the appropriate French pronunciations. Then you can dust off all the old scientific calculator and develop a personal algorithm to generate your optimal macronutrient ratios. Finally, line up your 21 Tupperware boxes and clear your calendar so you can spend most of your weekends meal prepping to save time. Now get to work on following your simple meal plan with recipes that have no more than 29 steps. Begin with soaking and marinating your antler moss yesterday. Easy peasy. I'm sick to death of the idea that abundant health is inaccessible to anyone for any reason. You don't need an advanced degree in nutrition science or a master's in mathematics. You don't need to be a Michelin star chef with a food science lab in your garden shed. You don't need a second job to buy expensive foods, and you don't need to find an 8th day in your week to run around town tracking them down and preparing them. The Mega Foods Plan is your antidote to the insanity of modern health. This simple guide will show you just how easy, quick, cheap and painless it really can be to get nutritious, yummy food in your belly so you can get on with living life. Quit overthinking, overplanning, overspending, overcomplicating and overwhelming. Learn how to take your focus off food and keep it that way. Eat simply, live fully. I hope you'll go and check out the book in the link below. It's at our website, spudfit.com. You can click the link below. Table of contents, so you can see there's quite a bit of stuff in there. The first 40 pages are my writing about what this is, why we do it, how to make it work, all of that. And then we get into the recipes. Starch-based kind of things. Pho. These recipes are all done by Mandy, my wife, if you don't know her. Split pea soup. I won't show you anymore, but that's so there's 16 recipes in this, and they're all very simple, as you can probably judge by the blurb that I wrote. We're keeping it really simple. They're tasty, they're delicious, but they're also being tasty and delicious and exciting your brain, and being this gourmet eating experience is not our number one goal with this. This is about getting quick, simple, cheap, easy, nutritious, tasty meals on the table, ready to eat very quickly. We're living in the real world here where we don't have hours to, prepare food, and we don't necessarily want to use all that time and energy on food. We want to make it simple, quick and easy and cheap and good and just enjoyable. Something that you're going to look forward to eating that's also going to, help you get towards your goals. As far as health and weight go. I hope you'll check it out, and I hope you'll support us. It's pre-sale at the moment, so the 28th of April is our official release date. So if you buy it now, you won't actually get it until then. But you can rest assured that it'll turn up in your email inbox on that day. It'll also be available on Amazon and all the online booksellers. You'll be able to get it everywhere, and it'll be available Kindle, Apple Books, and you'll be able to order printed copies of it to be sent to your house too. So I hope you like it. We're very, very proud of it. And I think it can really help a lot of people to get healthy and get fit and really simplify things and just make life and health a lot easier. Last thing is that it just so happens, not by planning, we're not that good at planning, but it just so happens that this book is coming out just in time for, in past years we've done what we call Mega Foods May. And so that's a big focus in our online courses. We have an online course about mega foods, which we've had for a couple of years now. And within our online group and in our courses, we have a big focus in May on following the mega foods plan. So, you can, if you like the sound of that, you can get the book, obviously, and that'll be a really good guide to get you through it. And you can also join us. If you want to join you can sign up for free at our website, and you can get a free sample version of what we do there, and you can join our group and interact with our community and all of that, and that's free. But if you want to also get our full Mega Foods Plan course, then you can sign up to our online courses, and you get all of our courses all at once, and you can I think it's $19 a month. Australian, so that's like, I don't know, 13, 14 or something like that, US. And you can cancel anytime you like. So, or you can get lifetime access for more than that. But anyway, I've talked enough. I hope you enjoy the book. We're very proud of it. I'm really, a lot of work has gone into it over quite a lot longer than we thought it would be. But it's here now, and we're happy, and it's a beautiful thing. So there you go. Sorry I've been absent from YouTube for a while, but there's a bit more time available now, so we'll make it a more regular thing. So click like, click subscribe, comment, ask questions. Let me know what you think or what you're hoping to see or all of that. And yeah, let's get back on the regular YouTube train. See you again soon. Thanks everyone. Spud up.